Simma the witch is watering her garden. It's full of poisonous plants with thorns. Simma sees two women walking by on the sidewalk. They are going to Sam's grocery store. "I like Sam," says one of them. "Yes, he is very nice," says the other. "We are lucky to have him here." Simma grinds her teeth when she hears that. She hates seeing people happy. Witches are like that. "I'll play a trick on that Sam," she hisses. "Then he won't be sucking up to women anymore." Simma looks in her spellbook. "I'll give him the worst case of hiccups ever." Simma's pet magpie is called Quip. "Don't do it," he squawks. "You'll be sorry." "Nonsense," says Simma. "I know exactly what to do. It's all here in my book." First, Simma sews a small rag doll. Then she writes Sam the grocer on a note. She pins the note to the rag doll's back. "There," she says, and puts the rag doll on the table in the living room. "Now all I have to do is brew a magic potion." A small fairy flies into the living room. She keeps a hidden eye on Simma to prevent her from making trouble. "I wonder what that witch is up to now," the fairy says. She sees the rag doll and the note. "Oh no! Is she out to get Sam now? I'll have to put a stop to that." The fairy takes the note and pins a new note to the doll. The new note reads, "Simma the witch." There, the fairy laughs. Simma comes back with her hiccup potion. She doesn't notice the new note on the rag doll's back. She pours a few drops of potion into the rag doll's mouth. "Greetings from me to Sam," she laughs. Simma hiccups and hiccups. She can't stop. "What's going on?" she shouts. "You got in trouble," says the magpie. "I told you you'd be sorry." "I don't understand this," Simma moans. Simma's hiccups get worse and worse. "Please help me," she shouts. "Burn the doll," says Quip. "Your hiccups will stop when it's gone." Simma throws the rag doll into the fire, and it burns up immediately. The hiccups go away. But Simma is still simmering with anger. She always is. "Shucks," she mutters. "My clever plan backfired."